strategy. So ingakho-ke fanele uqaphele, stand guard at the gate of your mind, because ila ukufana nengadi umqondo wethu. So ingakho bekwazi ukusimanipulate, yabo nje esitolo bayazi ukuthi mabepositiona uswidi la
ngasekuphunywa khona khokho ngakhona
uzoqala ubone kwi-ali yakhona baphinde bawuphoste lapha. It's marketing. Look, by the time ufika ethilini kade beqalile ukukudayisela. By the time ufika ethilini awazi na ukuthi wenziwa yini, because sebe-capturishile ingqondo yakho ukuthi ugcine usukubona ukubaleka kwalo sidi. Same thing with ama-drink, i-marketing. So now you can use the same marketing strategy to condition yourself ukuthi wena ufuna ukuhlala lapho. Khona umunye umuntu ongaze akucabange lokho ekhaya ukuthi where do you want to live? What kind of life do you want to have? What kind of car do you want to drive? Forget ukuthi awunawo matric, forget ukuthi situation yakho njengamanje imi kanjani.